have enjoyed the exercise related to the NumPy in the last video, where we discussed about the NumPy basics, the slicing and dicing of NumPy, and then how you would aggregate the data using these statistical functions like mean, median, and mode. What I'll do is I will show you how you can write the functions in the Python. So functions are one of the very important part of your overall coding. So think about this situation where multiple times you have to perform a certain type of operation. Say for example, doing again and again calculating a certain value, like for in case of financial world, you basically calculate the return on investment. You keep on changing the value, and what it does is, based on some complex calculation, it gives you the return of investment. Similarly, other things like cleaning the data, right? Again and again, instead of again and again writing the script in different programs, what you can do is just create a function, take the function or call the functions to by importing the program and do the necessary processing, right? So it has a lot of value when you do that or integrate that as part of your programs. So I am here, since it is a bit basic, what I am giving you is the initial idea about what functions are. As I mentioned, it is used to automate the regular occurring tasks like calculation, cleaning the data, combination of multiple data, printing out a big long query based on the parameter you are passing, and all of that sort of thing, right? So this is about what functions are, and what I'll do is I have the ask for writing one simple function of circle area. Let's say I am into some sort of a process where I need to calculate the different types of areas of circle that is then required for further processing. So what I do, instead of writing the pi.r square, which is basically the formula for calculating circle area, I am writing a function so that I will just simply call the function. So here I will show you how you can write the function and then how you can call the function. Alright, so circle area. So first of all, defining the function with the help of def, define the function, and circle underscore area, right? Open and close parenthesis and then colon. Once you enter, it will automatically provide you the right indentation. That means it will start from the circle wherever the function is starting. So indentation is provided to you for that function. If it is like this, then the function will not work. It has to be the right indentation to make the function work. Alright, so our circle area, let's say right now we know the value, right? And we want to create a statistical function which we can call from anywhere in our program. And A is basically pi, and if you remember from your high school mathematics, pi value is 3.14. And what we can do is write 3.14 multiply with r. Let's say our radius is 4.5 and square is our 2 asterisk notation, and then square value 2, and then print A. Alright, I'll press shift enter and come here. Now I want to call the circle area. So simply I will write circle area and it should print the value of my circle. Alright, so what I have now, the value of 63.585. Now from wherever I want in my program, I can keep on calling this function a number of times, right, and put it there. And if I want to make a change, I will have to just then do a change at one single place. So think about it, how much time you can really save in such sort of an automation by using the function, where you have to just change it at one place, the settings, and everywhere it should reflect it. So that's also one of the beneficial benefit that you can get from the defining the circle area. Now what I have is an exercise for you. So what you need to do is you need to do this exercise where you are creating the circumference of circle function, and the formula for circumference is C is equals to 2 multiply with pi multiply with r. And similarly, you need to create a function like this and then call the function to calculate the circumference of a circle. This will give you the basic idea about how you can create and call the function in Python.